Yeah, you know, in Africa we have a lot of land, and with the effect of climate change, if we use correctly the knowledge we have through the management of climate change, we can more protect our soil and be able to continue to produce food for people in Africa. Many of our challenge is the reforestation. We have to plant the plant everywhere, the tree every year, so we can increase the percentage of organic matter on the soil that will keep the fertility of our soil. That will be very, very important. The challenge we have now is how we can keep the fertility of our soil in the time. So take account all the knowledge you have today. I think reforestation will be one way to deal with that issue. We have also to use the organic matter from the waste in our different cities to produce compost which we can use on our different land. Each our government will work seriously on that issue.
What role does the private sector and business play in taking forward these kind of schemes?
Yeah, you know, in my country today we are developing the young people to become agricultural entrepreneurship. So that is very, very, very important to help the private sector to be involved in agricultural production, to be able to produce a lot of food for people in Africa and also export also this production to other countries. And the way to do that is to help our young people who finish at the university to be able to set up a big farm so they can produce a lot of crop for the world. It's also important to continue to help the small farmers who are using a small tool to produce. That's why we have to work seriously to protect them against the climate change by protecting the soil, by give to them an appropriate seed for the production.